some common knowledge about the ATK. Like, we all know some things, but not everybody knows everything. What you gotta do after you let them sit for a while. That, and fuel line, new filter. What else we do? That was it, right?
Yeah.
Carb should be clean. We'll try kicking her over in a minute. Blake's gonna have the pleasure of kicking it.
Oh yeah.
He brought his ass kicking boots, and he don't even have to roll his fucking sleeves up to do it.
Nope, I cut them off pre.
This is the most American bike ever built, and that's hands down.
A little kickaroo. She's choking. 2 stands. Man, Hulkamania was just running wild on this thing. You know what I mean? Back in the day. You need me to balance the other side?
No, I think it'll be all right.
Yeah. That ain't gonna do it, dog. Talk to me more about this machine you designed.
It really didn't take that much thought. It was about 4 months and
4 months. You
about
now
10 grand of research.
you dedicated yourself full time to it, though.
Yeah, I dedicated my life. I left my family just for this. I miss them. But watch this.
Dude, that's some core strength, dude.
Hold on.
They're gonna come back. So you're saying a little something about gotta work out to ride this?
Oh, you can't just hop on this sucker and take off. You have to do a substantial amount of upper body workouts. This machine that I have designed specifically off of just the genius of my mind. It's what it does is this bike you can't grip on with your legs. You do Superman the whole time. So you got to learn to just take off in 5th gear, really. But this is what you got. This is what it looks like. You're just flying. You're just hanging onto the bike like this. I mean, legs dangling, flaring. You got to be able to pull yourself up and get that throttle. You got to be able to throttle that sucker, clutch and throttle, boys. I do that 15 hours a day because you got to get used to the amount of power it has.
ATK, all the K's. Like you said, that's not what that stands for. That was a kick. Here's one. Ooh, boy. Trump actually tried to get this thing recommissioned just for chasing down illegals at the border. But they wouldn't go for it. They wouldn't even build the wall, so he just rips ass on it. Let it run and warm up.
It just has the girthiest throat. I mean,
yeah, it's not wanting to hit power band. You can tell, dude. You'll let off the throttle a little bit from the top, and like you'll feel it kind of start to catch. It'd be like, it's like. Just for like a millisecond, you could kind of feel the power.
I bet you I got the wrong plug in. Fucking, it's too rich.
Yeah.
Put it in for that, like breaking 21. It's a lot.
we're not.
On our red, white, and blues.
No, we want them to see us coming.
She is going to be a little upset that I used the dadgum cutting board for that, but I mean, I had to save that swing.